Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. This is your last chance for GRT. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So GRT, the graph. It has been going absolutely disastrous for the previous days. Look at what it has done right here. Crossing down, closing below. It didn't even have the chance to pump. Right now, things are going to change. We have the 200-day moving average as a support level. Not only that, but GRT has a mini bullish RSI divergence in the daily frame. Look at that right here. Tuesday 9 May to Thursday 11 May. And you can see that we are ready to start. Not only that, but GRT against Bitcoin chart, it has been going very further down. Right now, it has a chance to redeem and to go all the way back upwards. So what we need to do though, it is to get rid of the 50-day exponential moving average. This is our burden starting from this downtrend right here, 20-day MA, 50-day MA. Not only that, but Bitcoin is retesting the weekly scale and the 200-day moving average, also the very important support level, and it is very likely to go upwards. So this is your last chance to buy. Now we are going to see what are the next important resistance levels for GRT and of course the major third impulsive wave. First of all, GRT will be very likely to meet the point 12.376. Okay, from there, if we meet that, then we have a nice 9% profit target. However, this is a very important target because if we get rejected, then things will go wrong. If we close above that, which is the most likely scenario from here to start the impulsive wave and to close above, then we will be going towards the point 14, point 15, and even the point 16. Now, the third impulsive wave for GRT will come very soon. And right here, you can see that I am on the regular scale. I can be on the logarithmic. Things are going to change a little bit. For example, we are going to have as a target the point 12, the point 13, the point 13.7, and so on, point 14.5. So they change a slightly bit. It is good to use the regular and the logarithmic scale at some points. Anyway, for the time being, I'm going to close to remove all the drawings and to tell you what we are going to do. Is simply go to the Elliott's impulsive wave theory. This was the first one. For me personally, if you go to the weekly scale, this was the first one. This is the second low, and right now you can see that we went even to almost the second low. We haven't started yet the third impulsive wave, and GRT is very likely to go all the way up to restart what it left behind. Okay, so I'm guessing that we are going to do something like this, and then the third point could be on the verge to go all the way up higher. Personally, for me, it could be the case that it goes to point 30 and so on. I will be having the 1.236 Fibonacci number. Okay, the first target, for example, for the third impulsive wave is the point 28. Now, the case with GRT right here and what could go wrong, it is that Bitcoin is on a very huge downtrend and it doesn't hold that. And we go and never test as a support level the 200-day moving average. Instead, we just close below. If this happens, then of course GRT won't be capable of going higher. It's going to lose the 200-day moving average, and all that we are talking about is nonsense. However, I'm telling you, I'm talking about the most probable scenario, which I think is the most probable scenario for GRT as well. I think that GRT is going to fly towards the next targets, which will be the case that it is even higher than the point 12.7, which we had as a support level back here on Sunday 7 May, on 6 May, and so on. Okay, however, you are going to see that we couldn't actually hold these lines and we failed. We went all the way down. Right now, I think that we are going to start a very nice huge impulsive wave in the 4-hour frame as well. The RSI is going to go above the 70s and is going to float around there. Okay, these quadruple bullish RSI divergence 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, quadruple bullish RSI divergence is going to help us a lot for GRT. The only problem that we need to sustain right now is Bitcoin. This is the main problem. GRT against Bitcoin chart though, it is ready, I think, to break the 50-day exponential moving average, and this is what I hope so as well, because right here you can see that for GRT, I'm going into the logarithmic scale again, and I'm going to draw the fib from the bottom to the top. You can see that we are having one very important support level, the 0.786, okay, and I think that we are going to hold it. In the regular scale, things are different. We are way further down, but this is a buying opportunity as well. And not only that, but for GRT against Bitcoin chart, we had the below 30s in the RSI. I think that it can manage to make a very, very nice comeback. Okay, so we just want to see Bitcoin pumping a little bit more, not being so bearish into the lower time frames. For Bitcoin, I've talked about it, that it could be the case that we form right here bullish RSI divergence, but we have to wait and see. The pivot point line is here. We just need to hold it. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.